Now students, as we have seen the multiple reflection because of the plane mirrors, and that multiple reflection is just not used in a barber shop. They can be used in making toy also. And what does that toy? That is kaleidoscope. Have you heard about it already? Okay, so kaleidoscope is a toy which contains multiple plane mirrors, and that multiple plane mirrors will give you different images. So students, this is how kaleidoscopes look like. Okay, so in this we are having a cardboard rod or any other like rod, cylindrical shape thing, that is hollow cylinder should be it look like, and that contains mirrors. Here we have taken 3 mirrors. You can take 4, 5, whatever thing you can make. Like here we have, with the help of mirror, we have made the here triangle. You can make pentagon also like this, or hexagon also. Okay, so multiple type of formations could be possible, and according to that you will get multiple type of reflection. Okay students, so my mirror here, how does it work? Like this mirror is having a reflection part in between, and the polished part here at the outside part, so that if you put anything in between, like the beads, like pearls, like broken bangles of your mother, anything you can put here, and that will give you different multiple reflection because of the objects that are present, and that multiple reflection would make certain design, and that design part is very impressive. So here students, this is how it works. As you can see the model of it, that the mirrors are placed. Here is the eyepiece. From the eyepiece you need to look into the kaleidoscope. Okay, and that is a cardboard tube. You can even take a pipe also. Okay, like if you are having a broad pipe at your home, and the end cap should be closed. Fine. So this is very simple to make, and you can make your own kaleidoscope, and here are the steps. Here are the steps to make your own kaleidoscope. Okay, as you can see here the diagram, that you have taken a cardboard rod that should be a cylindrical in shape, and cylindrical should be hollow. Okay, like there should be a space in between it. Fine. So you can cover it with a beautiful origami sheet or any colorful paper you can take and roll it down. Okay, fine. So that it looks like good, like a cardboard is a rough rough look it is having, like a brown shade only. So this is not interesting looking now. So that is why we have just covered it like this. Now you need to take mirrors. You should have a pieces of mirror like a rectangular shape. If you are having 3 pieces of mirror like this, and out of these you need to make them and combine them so that their reflecting surface should be inside. Okay, inside this thing, like the polished part of it should be touching the boundary of the surface of the cylindrical part. Okay, so this is how in this part you can see that in the images that the triangle part of the mirror has been taken, and that should be arranged in this manner only. Now when this get dry, these plates should be added. You can take the Fevicol also, or any gluing material, sticking materials, and it should be sticking very hard, and then would be inserted into the rod, into the cylindrical, hollow cylindrical shape that we have already made. And that again, if we put something like I have told you, beads and all things that are spare at your home, and you can put it and close it from the back side. This should be necessary. From one end it should be closed, and the other end, like this is a rod that you have taken, it should be closed properly. And here we have inserted the 3 mirrors like this, and so this is making a triangle inside this, and the reflecting part is inside, like here this is the reflecting part, and this part would be considered, the behind part is the polished part. So if you are keeping here the beads or anything, now due to the multiple reflection they will make a good design here. And this part again, this spare part, should be covered. Okay, this should not be visible again. There should be only single eyepiece. I have told you in the diagram that here all part is covered, but just a little hole should be here. That would be considered as the eyepiece, and from there you have to look. Okay, and this should be properly closed. Okay, now you would be able to see the design that has been formed with these beads.